I always do that. I've been sitting here talking for about 15 minutes. But I'm opening a box that my sister sent me in the mail. And first thing that I pulled out is this cute little bottle of bubbly. Isn't that cute? And then I found all of these little black velvet bags, which the first one that I opened has a rose quartz. Ooh. I'm going to read about that because I don't know much about stones. But I believe that's a rose quartz. This one, these bags are so sweet. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's jewelry. My sister. Oh my gosh. Trying to. Ooh, look at that. What is that? Agate. This is an agate stone necklace. Look at that. Can you see it? This lighting in this room is whack. That is beautiful. Look at that. The precious stones, y'all. These things came out of the earth, and this one is shiny, all glimmery in the inside. It's beautiful. Ooh, I wish you could see the inside of that. Ooh. Thank you, big sis. That's agate. I think that's how you pronounce it. And here's a card that was with it for agate. And I can't see very well in here with these shades on, but it says agate is a variety of formed from, oh my god, I can't see it, layers of quartz that usually exhibit various colored bands. Its name comes from the Achides River in Sicily, where agates are first found. Well, I want to go find some agates. Agates develop as secondary deposits in hollow cavities. Okay, no, I'm not going to no hollow cavities. Let's see. There are thousands of named agates found in nearly all of the countries of the world. That's awesome. Let me put that on. Agate. And it's on a beautiful chain. I think my head might be too big to go over the head with it. Let's put it on. Oh, it's got a tag. Let me pull this tag off. Oh, I'm about to put this on right now, baby. Yes, I am. Thank you, big sis. I'm going to leave a link to my sister's channel. She's an author, and you can go over there on her channel and check out her latest book that she released. Buy that sucker. Ooh, I need some help. But I want this on right now. How are we going to do it? Let's do it. Okay, I can't do it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Alright, let's see. That came out of there. Here is another bag. Cute little velvet bag. Y'all like my blue polish? Isn't that pretty? My mood rings are usually blue too. Y'all need to get those mood rings. $10. Hit my PayPal. Hey. Got lots and lots and lots of them. Alright, this one is... Ooh. What is that? Look at that. That is beautiful. Can you see that? Let's see what it is. I don't know what it is. Is it the same thing as the necklace? Maybe. Okay, here's something else. This is Labradorite. a natural gemstone named after the Labrador Peninsula, the Labrador Peninsula in eastern Canada, where it was first found around 1770. Labradorite is thought to be a power stone, allowing you to see through illusions and determine your real dreams and goals. Nice. It is said to be excellent for strengthening intuitions and quick relief from anxiety, hopelessness. No, I don't do hopelessness. Depression. This is so cool. Replacing them with enthusiasm, self-confidence, and inspiration. We can all use a little more enthusiasm, baby. Let's look at this rock. This is a labradorite. Can you see the words? There it is, labradorite. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, it's really cold too. See it? I think it's cold. Oh yeah. Labradorite. And don't worry, I got my sage. My sister said sage them. I got me some sage. I'm gonna sage them. Get the evil off of them. Okay, this is pyrite. Now see, I have a small piece of this that I bought years ago when our family took a vacation to a beach house in Carolina. We went to this lighthouse and I bought a small piece of fool's gold. And I thought my teenage son had stolen it, but I did find it recently. But this is pyrite. And wait till you see this beauty. Bam! Oh my God. Isn't that beautiful? Fool's gold, yes! Oh, yes. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, can you see it? This laptop camera is whack. Okay, fool's gold, pyrite. The mineral pyrite or iron pyrite is an iron sulfide. The mineral's metallic luster and pale brass yellow hue has earned it the nickname fool's gold because of its resemblance to gold. Man, if I found something like that in the stream, baby, I would swear I got me some gold. Given the right conditions, pyrite is known to form in the shape of a near-perfect cube. Near-perfect cubes. No wonder it's like little squares all up and through. Oh, I wish y'all could see it. Look at that. Boy, crackhead to be at the pawn shop with that thing. Alright, let me see. I want to know what it is. What does it do? Pyrite was well known in the 16th and 17th centuries as a source of ignition in early firearms. Like, I ain't trying to fire up nothing. Hold up. Okay, so it's especially... okay. Here, hold up. Pyrite is a protective shielding stone and is excellent to wear or carry as an amulet to deflect harm and danger. Boom! That worked better than my taser. Okay. It is especially helpful when one is away from home or performing hazardous work. Our pyrite comes from Spain and Peru. Pyrite, baby. Fool's gold. That is beautiful. Shoo-hoo, I'm about to get that in an amulet. Somebody might try to jack me for that. Look at that. Bling, bling. Every time the telephone rings. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Let's see, I have one, but it don't bling like that. Oh my God, that was so beautiful. So that's from my sister Terry. I'm gonna put her link in the description. Oh my goodness, look at the little bag. Come on, come on. Look at the little bag. I'm loving this place. Califano. These people are awesome. And this is at the hotel she stayed at in Vegas. I've never been to Vegas, but I'm already determined that that's on my bucket list. I have to go there. I want to go to Califano's and get me some stuff. But that's my little unboxing. I ain't want to open it without capturing it so I can see it and she can see it. I love you, big sis. You my only big sis. Okay, you the shit. Thank you for my stuff. You giving me all this protective energy, all this fabulous energy. I'm about to sage everything. You told me to sage them. Look, I'm ready. I'm going to sage them. I'm going to read up there on their stuff and Google some stuff. And that's it for now, okay? Y'all need to get these mood rings, though. I got a ton of them. You need a mood ring on, because when you don't know how you're feeling, your body always will tell you how you're feeling. Look at this. That it's blue. Blue is good. Blue, green, and purple. If it's anything other than that, it's not good. If somebody comes around you and that thing goes away from blue, green, or purple, get away from them. But anyway, moodringmama@gmail.com. They only $10. You can PayPal, Cash App, credit card, whatever, boo, whatever. Alright, that's it. That's my unboxing. It's New Year's, so I'm about to get with this. Okay? Alright. Love y'all. Bye.